Well, it's raining again, or has been raining, and you can Google the rains list or look up the rains list on YouTube. It's disclosed in the rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims, human hunting pies, human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, and certainly no black wizard here, Sandringham serial killer. Terrorist, this shooter, I really don't think so. So plenty of hosts for the hungry, bloodthirsty beasts in high places. Certainly no host for the beast here. That one's got GK on it, you can see Carey skips for details. Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapo, the local Nazis, boys in blue. So, no Black Panther, serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. Prince of Darkness, ET hybrid host, Red Dragons. Their High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder. Certainly not mine, 999 on the white one. That one had GP on it, you can see Dr. Death SS, Silver Bullet Whom. Dr. McCarthy, Dr. Pantasi, 7 Monster Lies. 7 bogus diagnoses they want everyone to believe are true, but never the case 39 on all accounts. No Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B. Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist, this shooter, really don't think so. Certainly paid to make you disappear, Norfolk Bacon SS. Windsor Gestapos, the local Nazis, this Mason Council. White Lodge, the local mafia, the local mob, getting all in the bag. No Black Panther, serial killer here. Terrorist, this shooter, really don't think so. And that white BMW had war on it, certainly it's one big war in dish, you certainly can take a very big hit. And they will pay to make you disappear. Did have a silver BMW crew in this, Eastern European crew. Ringing the doorbell, driving away, parking outside with the headlights on full. So we did take it out of this, invited them to the coast for a Game of Thrones, Game of Sandcastles. What was the outcome, I really cannot say, but what I can say is BMWs cannot fly and they cannot float. Picking up Joe from work. Again, plenty of hosts, drive monster 18-wheeler 666 dual trucks. 3 attempts to run me off the road, also narrowly missed escape. One big high-speed ram. Fancy MRCT, Bartrams, Anglia Freight. Trans Am, Burster Mill, Discalton Road Assassins. Roy Humphreys, Richard Long, I used to escort wide loads for. Don't quite know what he's doing. Joe's got to go and do a bit of shopping. Anyhow, God bless, take care.